Hello, thank you for joining this video editing tutorial. Here at Skill 247 Avenue, we are committed to transforming the livelihood of millions of people across the globe, and this could be possible through video editing. My name is Mubarak Mohammed and I'm your tutor for this course. On a daily basis, there are millions of videos being uploaded online from YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and so many other platforms. And all these fancy videos could be possible through the art of video editing. If you want enough to sustain your life, at least for your lifetime, then video editing is the best option. And a quick check on Fiverr, which happens to be one of the world-recognized freelance platforms, indicates within the video editing section, tons of money that is being made on daily basis from video editors who offer their services. You could see this video editor who offer a service of $60 for a 1-minute video, and this video editor has already served 92 clients on Fiverr. So you can do the math. How much is this person making just by offering a 1-minute video editing service? And you can also see another video editor who is charging for $15 per 1-minute video, and this has also served 68 customers on Fiverr. And another person who is offering $10 service for a 3-minute video, and he has served 130 customers, and the list goes on. But when you scroll down, you could see a tons of people who have variety of skills within the video editing area, offering services that they could make tons of money out of it. And if you are someone who wants to start content on YouTube to cash out something, video editing is an option. You could see currently Scanty Explores is showcasing the amount of money he has made for a 1 million views on YouTube. And for those people who want to even promote their own products, can learn how to do video editing so that they could be able to make something out of it. And to get started, the mode of our daily tutorials is going to be in two folds. One, the uninterrupted lesson section, and the questions and answers section. So if you have any questions during each daily session, you can jot it down and ask during the questions and answer series. The question and answer series will be a link will be provided in the video description, so you can click on the link and you'll be directed to the live question and answer section, or the end screen, that is a pop-up menu, will appear at the end of each lesson section, so you can be able to click on it and join the live session for the question and answers. And for the novice who don't know how to join, just leave your video and you will transition from the uninterrupted session to the question and answer section. And to begin with, every masterpiece starts with a preparation, and we need to get the tools that is needed for the video editing lessons. We will explore the ones that we can do on our PC, and we will also explore the ones that we can do on our phone. I know majority of you are having phone, so you are not left behind. But a quick note, you can do a lot of fancy things with the PC compared with the phone option. So we are going to learn the two, and you will pick the one which is best for you. And on our computer, we want to learn how to do the video editing using the DaVinci Resolve and then CapCut. And best of all, these tools are absolutely free. Of course, there are paid versions, but you can do with the free option. Don't even think of the paid option. And with the phone, we are going to use the CapCut to do our video editing. I choose these tools because for their free version, they offer a tons of options that you can utilize. So you may not even need the paid version. And I'm going to provide you with the quick steps to install these softwares both on your PC and that of your phone. On your PC, navigate to your browser and in the address bar type google.com and hit enter. Then in the search engine, we're going to type DaVinci Resolve and hit enter again. Among the tons of options, make sure to select the one that appears first with the name blackmagicdesign.com. So in this, we're going to make sure to click on it and allow it a bit of moment to finish loading, and this will redirect you to an interface like this. So in here, you can proceed to scroll down until you locate DaVinci Resolve. The current version is 20. And to download it, there are two options. We can either go with the free download option, or if you want to buy, you can make a payment of $295 for a one-time purchase. But in our case, we're going to click on the free download option, which, as I said earlier, will offer you a tons of features that you might not even need the paid version. And after you click on it, a pop-up menu will appear here. So we have the DaVinci Resolve 20, which is the free version there, and the paid version is the studio version. In our case, since we're going to choose the free version, make sure to locate the operating system that you are using. So we have the Mac operating system, Linux, Windows x86, and Windows ARM. So make sure to select the operating system that best matches your device. And when you tap on it, your DaVinci Resolve will start downloading. Of course, I've already downloaded it, so I don't need to download it again. And after you are done downloading it, make sure to follow the on-screen instruction on your PC. Then this is for those who want to use the DaVinci Resolve as their video editing software. And for those of you who want to use CapCut on your PC, let me show you how to install it. On your PC, you're going to navigate to the Start menu. Right and above in the search engine, make sure to type Microsoft and pick the one with this best match. Then in here you have to allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. After this interface has finished loading, make sure to click in the search bar again and type CapCut, and this will automatically redirect you to this CapCut, which is by ByteDance. In my case, I've already installed it, but I'm requested to update it. In your case, you will have the option to tap on Get. So after you are done with it, allow it a bit of moment to finish installing on your PC. And after that, you can proceed to launch it. And this is how to install CapCut on our PC. And if you want to install it on your phone, let's jump to our phone and install CapCut on it. On our phone, we're going to locate our Play Store or App Store if you are using an Android or iOS. Then in the search bar, which is at the bottom right corner, we'll proceed to tap on the search. In the search box, we're going to type CapCut, and here you will have CapCut. So you can proceed to tap on Install and allow it a bit of moment to finish installing. I've already installed it, and this is how you can get CapCut on your phone. And now that we finished installing the various tools we need both on our PC and phone, which is DaVinci Resolve and CapCut, and on our phone only CapCut, now the next thing is to organize our files. And in organizing our files, what we'll need is make sure to have a video editing folder. This is the folder that we are going to use dated for our video editing, because as I said, if you don't organize your files, you'll end up being confused. And in our video editing folder, we want to make sure to have the video clips that we are going to use, and our musics, which will include our background sound and any other audio that you want to add to it, and the final export folder. And to do that, we'll first have to right click on our desktop or any area that you want to create your folder. Then among the options there, make sure to select on new, then select folder. And this time we're going to give our folder name as video editing. Then I will click on enter, and to create a subfolder we are going to double click on the video editing and then right click inside it and create another folder, which this folder is going to be the clips that we are going to save, and another folder for the music. And this is how you are going to create both folders and subfolder. And to demonstrate, the folder is the video editing folder, and the subfolders is the folders inside the video editing folder, which is the clip. And after that, to learn how to do video editing properly, you have to set goals. Why am I learning this video editing? Is it for the money? Is it I want to build myself? Is it for professional skill upgrade? Or is it something that I want to do to grow for my current life? So make sure you have a goal that you set anytime before starting this, and you need to write one target. The target could be either you want to learn video editing purposely for YouTube, or you want to learn it for TikTok or freelancing. So any target that you want, you have to set a target. Make sure you have one clear target which is going to guide you in your line of video editing knowledge acquisition, as this is going to be of a great help to you. And now that I showed you how to install your softwares both on your PC and your phone, I would like you to install the apps on your PC and phone, then create a folder and then the subfolders for the clip and the other one for the music. And this is the action exercise that you are going to do. As I said, for every masterpiece begins with a preparation, and if you miss this step, your edit will be very messy and chaos. During the course of this presentation, if you have any question, just note it down. At the end of this video, stay on and ask me any questions that you want. I'll be ready to attend to you. And I want you to write, in 20 days, you want to become an excellent or professional or anything that you want to be in this area of skill. It's very important to have an actionable motivation, goal and aspiration that whether you want to make money out of it, or you want to build your brand or build a business empire out of the editing skill. And this is the end of our day 1 tutorial. If you have any questions, stay in here. We are going to answer any question that you want, and the live question and answer section starts in less than a minute. So stay in here. You can click the link in the video description, the pinned comment, or the end screen, or you will be redirected to the live Q&A. Just stay here, so we'll address any question that you have in your mind.